What if from now you knew 10 powerful habits that could reshape your life without radical sacrifices? Today I'll share practical tips, science-backed and simple to start, no fluff. No wasted time. By the end, pick one habit to try for 7 days. Small experiments can lead to massive lasting changes. Habit 1. Sleep like a superpower. The easiest productivity upgrade most people ignore completely, yet it changes everything. Aim for consistent sleep timing, go to bed and wake within the same half hour every single day. Create a 30-minute wind-down routine, dim the lights, put away screens, breathe deeply, and allow your mind to slow down. If falling asleep feels difficult, try 4-7-8. Breathing. Inhale 4. Habit 2. Focus blocks matter. Your attention is a limited resource, so work in short, intense bursts of 50 minutes. Turn off all notifications, keep only one tab open, and commit to one clear, defined task. Use a visible countdown timer. The ticking clock creates urgency. Work with purpose until the block is done. Habit 3. Move your body daily. The brain thrives on movement. A short walk can lift mood and focus. If exercise feels overwhelming, break it into micro habits. Do 2 sets of squats after each online call. Combine learning with movement. Listen to podcasts or audiobooks while walking or stretching to multiply your time. Habit 4. Eat for steady energy. Avoid heavy late meals that cause energy crashes and poor night's sleep. Time your biggest meal earlier. Many find better focus and better sleep with lighter dinners. Hydration improves brain function. Keep water within reach. Even mild dehydration can lower focus and mood. Habit 5. Protect your mornings. Build a 20-minute ritual to start your day with focus and calm. Start with gentle movement, a short stretch, some reading, then 3 quick wins to build momentum. Avoid jumping into email. Set your own priorities first. Messages can wait. Habit 6. Practice single tasking. Multitasking drains your brain. One focused task always beats many. Create signals for focus time, close the door, wear headphones, or put your phone face down out of sight. If switching tasks is unavoidable, take a 20-second reset. Breathe, stretch, and then start fresh with intention. Habit 7. Learn by teaching. The Feynman technique says explain in simple words to truly understand. Record a 2-minute explanation. If you hesitate or stumble, you've found the gap to study next. Turn lessons into tiny teachings. Summarize to a friend or write 3 lines in your notes. Habit 8. Nurture social energy. Relationships fuel resilience. Schedule short, meaningful interactions to stay connected. Send a quick message, make a short call, or walk with a friend to lift your mood. Protect deep friendships. Small, regular investments build strong support networks that last for years. Habit 9. Clear mental clutter. A nightly brain dump removes stress and frees mental space. Sort thoughts into categories, tasks, ideas, and worries. Pick one action for tomorrow's list. Habit 10. Design. Your environment, small space changes can shift your behavior in big ways. You will notice the changes. Put workout clothes in sight. Keep healthy snacks visible. Hide junk food and digital distractions. Want to read more? Place a book on your pillow. Your future self will thank you. Combine multiple habits. Sleep well, protect mornings, and use focus blocks for greater results. Example daily plan. Same wake time, morning ritual, 1 focus block, then a post-lunch walk. Run micro-experiments weekly. Test 1 new habit track. Progress for 7 days, then adjust as needed. Fact 1. Routines train rhythms and reduce decision fatigue, making daily choices much easier. Fact 2. Deep work boosts dopamine because you complete meaningful chunks, not scattered unfinished micro-tasks. Fact 3. Movement and connection. Lower stress hormones improve sleep and sharpen mental clarity. Remove habit friction today. Make the right choice. The easy, obvious choice every time. If you skip workouts, pack your gym bag early. Tell a friend your exact plan. Break big goals down. Write only 200 words or do 1 push-up to start momentum. Expect slip-ups. Plan a recovery ritual instead of quitting entirely. Recovery ritual example: write one reflection line, adjust your setup. Try again tomorrow. Quick toolkit. 2-minute rule for starting any task, visible timer for focus, and one-page daily plan. Do a weekly 15-minute review to check wins, spot friction, and reset goals. Case study. Maya, a parent, moved dinner earlier, added daily walks, and gained focus hours. She didn't add hours, she rearranged them. Sequence change recovered her energy. Motivation follows action. Start moving first, then watch motivation rise naturally. Habit stacking works well. Attach new habits to old ones after brushing teeth. Write one quick line. Use accountability partners. Make public commitments or track habits with friends. Learn from it. Technology can help focus. Calendars, timers, and notes capture ideas and structure your day. But set tech rules. No social apps during work and fixed windows for messages. Think of energy like money. Sleep, food, and movement are deposits you can spend. Low energy deposit first. Take a short nap, walk, or snack before deep work. End your day with ritual. Tidy your desk. Write tomorrow's top 3. Then breathe deeply. That end signal tells your brain to rest and prepares you for quality sleep. Maintain momentum beyond a week. Celebrate wins, review weekly, and add one small upgrade. Pair habits for faster results. Sleep, morning rituals, and focus blocks transform performance. Don't aim for perfection. Sustainable, good enough systems beat unsustainable bursts every time. Avoid all-or-nothing thinking. Progress compounds with patience and persistence. When you fail, ask curious questions. What caused it? How to adjust? 5-minute reset. Breathe deeply, stand and stretch, drink water, set one priority. Do this before each focus block to boost attention and maximize your results. Pressed for time. Pick one micro-habit. Sleep schedule. Focus minutes or walking. Commit for 7 days. Track in a note or on paper. Don't lose consistency. After a week, keep what works and drop what doesn't and note it. Which specify part you want to improve. Think like a gardener. Plant seeds, water them, pull weeds, and wait. Habits compound like interest. Small daily actions become massive changes over years. Quick recap. Sleep, mornings, focus, movement, nutrition, single tasking, teaching, social energy. Also brain dumps, environment design, and weekly reviews for growth. Challenge: choose one habit. Try 7 days, track results, share in comments. If you enjoyed this, subscribe for weekly experiments and like to support others. Start now, set sleep time, plan one focus block, tell a friend, see you soon. Remember, habits aren't instant. They're seeds you plant, water daily, and watch grow. Don't wait for motivation. Start with tiny steps and motivation will catch up later. Consistency beats intensity. Small, steady actions create far bigger results than occasional bursts. Your future self is watching. Build habits today that your tomorrow self will thank you for.